If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Sport in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, windshield wiper de-icer, 16-inch silver painted aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with heating elements, black side roof rails, incandescent tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 3.5-inch cluster with black and white display, Uconnect 3 with 5-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear 60/40 folding seats, remote USB port second row, reversible vinyl cargo mat, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3362A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.